Eating a healthy diet is important for overall health, and it can also help protect and repair your eyes. There are a number of specific foods that are particularly beneficial for eye health. 1. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli contain high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that can help reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. 2. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and protect the eyes from damage caused by sunlight. 3. Eggs are a good source of both lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamins A and D, which are essential for healthy vision. 4. Oranges, lemons, and other citrus fruits are great sources of vitamin C, which helps maintain the health of the blood vessels in the eyes and reduce the risk of cataracts. 5. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, are high in vitamin E, another antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from damage. 6. Bell peppers and other colorful fruits and vegetables are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, a vital nutrient for healthy eyes. 7. Whole grains, such as brown rice, quinoa, and oatmeal, are rich in the B vitamin, folate, which is important for maintaining healthy eyesight and reducing the risk of age-related eye diseases. 8. Avocados are a great source of healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help protect the eyes from damage. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are important for maintaining healthy eyesight. 9. Legumes, such as lentils, beans, and peas, are rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a key role in maintaining healthy vision. Zinc is essential for the proper functioning of the retina and helps protect the eyes from damage caused by sunlight. 10. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants like flavonoids, which can help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. However, it is important to note that too much sugar or artificial sweeteners can harm your eyes. The best option is to choose dark chocolate with high cocoa percentage and low sugar. It's also important to make sure you're getting enough vitamins and minerals, including zinc, copper, and vitamin C and E. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-dense foods can help keep your eyes healthy and reduce your risk of vision problems. Eating well is one way to ensure eye health, yet if you notice any vision problem, seeking professional help is important. In addition to eating a healthy diet, there are other things you can do to protect your eyes, such as wearing sunglasses when you're outside, not smoking, and getting regular eye exams. By incorporating eye-healthy foods into your diet and taking other steps to protect your eyes, you can help keep your vision sharp and reduce your risk of eye problems as you age.